Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the essentials. Charge the phone above 50% and back up your important files. Once done, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and allow OEM unlock so commands will work. Make sure you install ADB and fastboot tools on the PC and download the exact Vivo stock recovery image for your model. These steps matter because incorrect image or locked bootloader will block flashing. Move only when each prerequisite is confirmed and the PC recognizes your device. You now connect the phone and boot into fastboot mode. Either hold power plus volume down or run a DB reboot bootloader from the PC. Once fastboot shows your device, check the recovery image checksum and then run fastboot flash recovery. To write the stock recovery. After flashing, run fastboot reboot bootloader to refresh the partition table and avoid boot loops. Make sure to use the original USB cable and a stable port. Interruptions during write can corrupt recovery and complicate repair. You finish by booting straight into the newly flashed recovery to confirm it loads. Use volume keys to select recovery and press power to enter. Once inside, test core functions like apply update from ADB, wipe cache, and then reboot system to confirm normal boot. If the phone still loops or reverts, reflash the boot and system partitions or restore your backup image. One key troubleshooting tip: if flashing fails, check OEM, unlock state, and rerun fastboot with correct drivers and a verified recovery image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.